I'm a huge fan of Upshift. It really bailed us out during a difficult time. Helped us out in a lot of reasons. We were short, obviously, staffing needs. We do all of our internal recruiting, so we don't really go to staffing agencies just for the fact that they're pulling from the same pool of people, and they have the same issues that we're having, and they come in with a fresh attitude, and that's where it's kind of helped us too. It's kind of put a little bit of fear in our existing employees who've kind of gotten real relaxed and think that, we can't find anybody and we're desperate. And now they see these upshifters come in with this fresh perspective and they work circles around them. Because people have such flexibility with Upshift, they're usually like excited to be here, ready to work. But yeah, we feel like we'll have an ongoing relationship, and our need right now would just be what it has been, just filling in on our production floor. Helping us like when we have high times. The biggest value is the fact that it's kind of like on demand. It's like there's such a big, large pool there. I don't ever not get filled. If I put out a shift, I may not get everyone, but I'll at least get a couple, and that's fine. If we get in a crunch, we know that we've got Upshift there to help us in that crunch. As far as I know, you guys are pretty strict about staying on top of your strikes. I think that's why we feel like we're getting the best of the best, because they know they got one chance. They blow it, then they've just messed up a great opportunity for them to have the flexibility that fits into their life. Yeah, I think your rating system is what sets you guys apart. The supervisors love when we get what we like to call our regulars. And I'll favorite them. And I do have my supervisors report to me on a weekly, bi-weekly basis and let me know, like, okay, if this person is causing you more trouble, if this person isn't working well with our existing employees, we would just find regulars. And because they liked us, they would grab our shifts quickly. The biggest issue I will say we've had though is we are ISO, so we have so many regulations. That was the biggest thing was, just getting used to having new people that needed retrained all the time. But again, we just quickly got regulars. We've agreed as a department, like we see a partnership ongoing with Upshift. Like we've actually kind of budgeted in, like we feel like we will always have 5 to 10 Upshifters in the building permanently.